Okay, what you're looking at is my battery voltage and the wattage there. It's on float. I'm making me a pot of coffee. How about that, huh? So those are working good. I don't know why it's not holding a charge, but hopefully they'll figure it out and be on my merry way. I'll be spending the night and see how it does. Pretty damn good, huh? They go up and down depending on the use. Pretty damn cool, huh? Gotta have my coffee. That's what it's all about anyway. That's why I got these solar panels and 6 batteries, so I can make coffee when I want to. Cool. Cooking baby, 291 watts. Still holding in there, not a problem, not kicking out at all. Like I say, and then I replaced the control panel too. And so I could adjust the voltage and stuff. So we'll see. I don't know. Electronics, what can I say? They work, they're great. If they don't, they're a nightmare. 290 watts. Not a problem. I also have a 3000 watt inverter for those people who, want to know. I should be able to run about anything I want. 294 watts. What do you think? I'm cooking away. Get a little bit more before my coffee's done, and you see the difference here. And it is charging on float. So that means those batteries are cooking 100%, baby. If it goes to bulk, that means it's 100% charge. Has, I think, 3 or 4 different chargers. Uh, Coffee. So here it is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So, continuing on. Like watching grass grow, huh? That went off. Let's see. There, it's back on. Just light went off, no problem. There we go. See, that's how many amps I'm using. 21 amps, 325 watts, 13.1 volts. Cool, huh? Holding right in there, huh, baby? Yep. Looking good. Okay, the coffee almost done, I think. You'll see the difference here. Dropping. Coffee might be done. Maybe not. Yeah, the coffee's done. Now what it's doing, see it should kick back here in a little bit because my batteries will be full. Nothing else is on except the coffee pot. It's interesting. It's producing power and they're charging the batteries that they depleted the energy. See? There you go. Strange, huh? Like I said, it takes a little while to build up the batteries once you've, used them. So anyway, that's enough. We'll continue on.